Dip 4 almonds in water and take them before going to sleep every night. Watch what happens. You can have it all, but if you do not have health, then you have nothing. That famous phrase is well known by many, and is very right. No matter how much material things we have, without health we will not be able to enjoy them. That is why this subject receives more and more importance in our life. However, we know that health depends on several factors, especially nutrition. That's why we want to show you how to make the most of the almonds with this goal. This dry fruit is considered one of the richest to improve our health. Almond has a high content of proteins and minerals essential for good health. That's why experts recommend including it in our daily diet. Here are some benefits we get from eating it. 1. Protect the heart. Letting 4 almonds soak overnight and eating them the next morning has many benefits. This greatly improves the health of the heart and the body in general. In addition, it provides the potassium and the necessary proteins for the day-to-day. 2. Increase energy. Undoubtedly, we have all gone through a bad day sometime in our life. Maybe we're getting up in one of those days where we do not want to do anything but rest. For those moments, there is nothing better than eating several almonds. These will renew our energy and allow us to perform well. 3. It lowers cholesterol in the blood. Fast food and other types of food increase our cholesterol levels in our blood. However, almonds can reduce it to a healthy level. Its large amount of vitamin E prevents the accumulation of bad cholesterol in the blood vessels. Form of use of the almonds. As we have already mentioned, these benefits are obtained by soaking the almonds. The ideal is to enter 4 almonds in 1 glass with enough water to cover them completely. These almonds will leave them to soak 8 hours to take them at night. Do not waste more time and start today to take advantage of all the virtues of the almond. We assure you that, within a few days of taking them at night, you will notice